Are you tired of using generic AI assistants that just can't seem to understand your specific needs? Did you know that there are over 100 million users worldwide who rely on AI-powered tools to streamline their work, but only a fraction of them are using custom AI assistants? By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to build your own custom AI assistant using ChatGPT, saving you time and boosting your productivity. First, let's understand the basics of ChatGPT and its Custom GPTs feature. ChatGPT is an AI model that uses natural language processing, NLP, to generate human-like responses to user queries. The Custom GPTs feature allows you to create personalized AI assistants that can perform specific tasks, such as answering frequent questions, generating reports, or even making decisions on your behalf. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a ChatGPT account if you haven't already. This will give you access to the Custom GPTs feature. Once you sign up, navigate